I welcome you all in this online maths lesson for 5th class. Today we are going to do some multiple choice questions. Under Mission Shat Pratishat, we are going to do question number 11 to question number 15 of worksheet 1. So let's start our lesson for today. Look carefully and find out. Here we have some pictures and we have 4 options. We have to choose the correct option. In this picture, one cup has 200 milliliters of capacity. And it is shown that the capacity of one glass is equal to 2 cups. One cup has 2 milliliters of capacity. That means 200 plus 200 is equal to 400 milliliters capacity. And the glass has the capacity of 400 milliliters. Yes, the glass has 400 milliliters of capacity. Similarly, in second line, 3 glasses are added. And adding 400 3 times, we get the capacity of the jug. So, it is 1200 milliliters. And we have to find the capacity of the jug. So, it is 1200 milliliters, or we can say 1 liter 200 milliliters. Now, check the options. Option A is less than 500 milliliters. It is incorrect. Option B is between 500 milliliters and 1 liter. It is also incorrect. Option C is between 1 liter and 2 liters. And our answer is 1 liter 200 milliliter. That lies between 1 liter and 2 liters. So option C is correct. Option D is more than 2 liters. It is incorrect. So we have found out already that option C is correct option, and we will put a tick mark at option C. Question number 12. As per the time shown in the given below clocks, a bus starts from Firozpur and reaches Moga. How much time did it take to reach Moga? 4 options are given here. The time shown in first clock is the time when the bus started, and it is 5:20. And the time shown in the second clock is the time when the bus reached, and it reached at 6:30. We have to find the time the bus took to reach Moga. We know from 5:20 to 6:20, the time taken is 1 hour. And then from 6:20 to 6:30, 10 more minutes are taken. So total time is 1 hour 10 minutes. In option A, 1 hour 20 minutes is given. It is incorrect. In option B, 1 hour 40 minutes is given. It is also incorrect. In option C, 2 hours 10 minutes is given. It is also incorrect. In option D, 1 hour 10 minutes is given. And that is the correct answer. We have already found it. So we will put a tick mark at option D. Question number 13. Which angle is marked on the book? The 4 options are given and we have to choose the right option. In option A, right angle is given and that is equal to 90 degree. In option B, there is acute angle. That means the angle which is less than 90 degree. Yes, it is less than right angle. In option C, there is obtuse angle which is more than 90 degree, and option D is none of them. Now we will consider option A. When we tilt the right angle, it is similar to the angle marked on the book. So option A is the correct option, and we will put a tick mark at option A. Here is question number 14. In which clock the angle between its hands is not acute? Let's revise the angles once. What is acute angle? Yes, obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree and acute angle is less than 90 degree. It is bent inwards. We can see in option B, C and D, the angles between the hands of the clock are acute angles. But in option A, the angle between hands of the clock is obtuse. That is greater than 90 degree and it is greater than right angle. So option A is the correct option and we will put a tick mark at option A. Here is question number 15. Find the area of given rectangle. The length and the breadth of one square is given here. The length is 1 centimeter and the breadth is also 1 centimeter. and the area of the square is length multiplied by breadth. So the area of one square unit is 1 centimeter multiplied by 1 centimeter, that is equal to 1 centimeter square. Now let's count the number of squares now. The area of number of squares is equal to the area of the rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So total 10 square units are there. So the area of rectangle is equal to 10 centimeter square. In option A, it is 10 square centimeter. It is the correct option. We will put a tick mark here. Now it's homework time, kids. You have to revise and note down all these questions from question number 11 to question 15 on your notebooks. Take care of your health. Bye. Thanks.